Hi, I'm Lela Kelly from Dosatron International and Dilution Solutions. And today I'm coming to you from our Dosatron family farm. And I want to show you a little bit of what we grow. It's all organic, and we grow all of this food not only for ourselves, but for all of our employees. It's good for everybody, and it's kind of a fun thing to do. Today I want to show you these Florida blueberries. Peaches in Florida. Look at these guys. They're getting riper by the day. Can't wait to try these guys. Our plum tree, this is Scarlet Beauty plums. Imagine growing plums in Florida. These are our avocado trees, different varieties. Here's a little baby avocado. How great is that? And this variety is Avocado Joey. We've got sweet potatoes, newly planted. I'm actually in the food forest, the North Food Forest, where we have all different varieties of bananas, as you can see here. These guys are delicious, and they grow in this semi-shady location.